Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the email on your Wingz app account, because if you're not getting ride updates, receipts, or login codes, it's usually your email that needs to be updated. This video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, and your first step is going to be to open the Wingz app. And then you're going to tap the three lines at the upper left-hand corner. And then you're going to hit Settings. From there, you're going to tap Edit Account. And then you're going to put your cursor into the email account and change it for what you would want it to be if it's incorrect. And then you hit Save. And if Wingz asks you to verify the change, check your new inbox for a code or a verification link and complete that step. And that's honestly the best and easiest way that I know how to do it. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually change it, let me know.